It's the holiday season, and memories really do make the best gifts, which is why you've probably already ordered your 2021-22 Hoover Yearbook. If you have, you can go one step further and add a personalized message for your student. This year, we're selling ad space in our Hoover Yearbook. You can either design a quarter of a page or an eighth of a page. Quarter pages are $50, but our eighth of a page starts at $25. What do you put on this ad? Here's a couple of examples. If you have a graduate this year, perhaps a baby picture, one of the cute ones, not the embarrassing ones, family photos, congratulation messages, or shout outs to friendship groups, teams, and clubs, an accomplishment shout out for your student, or thank yous for the teachers, staff, or even those friend groups, teams, and clubs. This is really your opportunity to personalize the yearbook that you ordered, a special section on a page just for your student, whether they are sixth graders starting off middle school their very first year, seventh graders, especially after a crazy couple years like the ones we've just had, or eighth graders, finally making it to that promotion stage. This is a great opportunity, but you better act quick. Buy your recognition ad at www.jostens.com. This offer ends on December 31st. Just scroll down when you get to the page after selecting Hoover Middle School, and you'll see the recognition ads starting at $25. You're able to design it yourself, and the yearbook staff will add the finishing touches. Enjoy! And happy holidays from the Hoover Middle School Leadership and Yearbook classes.